Hi everyone. In this PPT, in this video, I am going to discussing about pointers to array, null pointer, and function pointer. First one is array pointer. Here is the example for array pointer. In this example, we can follow three-step algorithm. First, you can take three variables, that is x and y, z, x, y, and z, that is three integer values. Put smallest in x, swap x, y is necessary, then swap x, z is necessary. Put second smallest in y, swap y comma z if necessary. That means swapping of numbers. Here is the example for swapping of numbers. Next, pointers and arrays. When array is declared, the compiler allocates a base address and sufficient amount of storage to contain all the elements of the array in contiguous memory locations. The base addresses is the location of the first element, that means index of 0 of the array. The compiler also defines the array name as a constant pointer to the first element. Here is the example. I can take array as array size as 4, that means int x of 5 is equal to elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose that the base address of x is 2500, that means 2500, and each integer requires 4 bytes. Here, first element x of 0, value is 1. It can store the address as 2500, that means 2500. Next integer will requires 4 bytes, that means 2500 plus 4, that means 2504. Second element will be stored in that address. Like that, we can store the elements. Next, here x has address of x of 0, that means value of 1. It can store it in 2500 address. P is equal to x and p is equal to address of x of 0. What is the address of x of 0? 2500. It can store it in p. Here we can access successive values of x by using p plus plus or p minus minus to remove from first element to another. Here, what is the value of p? Address of x of 0. What is the address of x of 0? 2500. 2500 is stored in p. Next, p plus 1. P plus 1 means every next elements will be occupied 4 bytes. So it can add 4 bytes. 2500 plus 4. Next, p plus 2. 8. Next 12. Next 16. Like that it can store. Next, null pointer. A null pointer is a pointer that does not point into any memory location. It stores the base address of the segment. The null pointer basically stores the null value, while void is the type of the pointer. A null pointer is a special reserved value which is defined in a stdef header file. Here null means that the pointer is referring to the 0th memory location. If we do not have any address which is to be assigned to the pointer, then it is known as null pointer. When a null value is assigned to the pointer, then it is considered as a null pointer. Some uses of the null pointers are to initialize a pointer variable when that pointer variable is not assigned any valid memory address. To pass a null pointer to a function argument when we don't want to pass any valid memory addresses. To check for null pointer before accessing any pointer variable so that we can perform error handling in pointer related code. Example, dereference pointer variable only if it's not null. Next, here is the example. Here I can take star p as null, initialize the pointer as null. Printf the value of pointer is %du comma p. That means it can print 0 value. The output is the value of pointer is 0. Null means 0. Next, function pointer. In C, like normal data pointers, like int, star, char, star, etc., we can have pointers to functions. Following is the simple example that shows the declaration function call using function pointer. This is the example for function pointer. Here I can take void fun int a, print value. Then here is the pointer function, star function pointer of 10. The output of this program is value of a is 10. Next, following are some interesting facts about function pointers. Unlike normal pointers, a function pointer points to code, not data. Typically, a function pointer stores the start of executable code. Unlike normal pointers, we do not allocate, deallocate memory using function pointers. A function name can also be used to get function address. For example, in the below program, we have removed address operator, and in assignment, we have also changed function call by removing star. The function still works. Here is the example. Next, like normal pointer, we can have an array of function pointer. Below example in point 5 shows syntax for array of pointers. Function pointer can be used in place of switch case. For example, in the below program, user is asked for a choice between 0 and 2 to create different tasks. Here is the example. Here, by in the place of switch case, I can use functions. So here is this is the output for this program. Enter choice 0 for add, 1 for subtract, 2 for multiply. So I can choose 2. What is the value of A? 15, B is equal to 10. After calculation part, multiplication is 150. This is the example for function pointer. Thank you.